look at this. Basically, this one here, the radius is the diameter is given √2 kilometer. Yes, so basically, as it is root, that's why you are getting confused. No need to think about this root too much. Just look at this. It is given √2 kilometer. That is 2r or d diameter. Yes, so what will be the value of r? Radius, half of this diameter. Just √2 by 2 kilometer. No need to even calculate this part. Just keep it same. Okay. Now it is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So now just look, if we want to find the circumference, look at this. That means what is the formula? 2 into pi into r. R means what? √2 by 2. Just we'll put the value √2 by 2. Now the thing is 2 will be cancelled out, and already you know the value of √2 is basically, if 2 is cancelled out, it will be √2 into pi. Yes or no? √2 into pi.
Yes.
Now you already know √2 is equal to 1.414 or 1.41, and pi is equal to 3.142 or up to 2 decimal place 3.14. That means just we have to multiply. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Acha, now it is clear. Now in case of area, where you can face the problem, just look at this. In case of area, basically the radius is given, r is √2 by 2, this one is r. Now area means what? I am just writing a, I'm just denoting it by a. Area means pi into r square.
Yes, ma'am.
Unit square. I am not mentioning the unit right now. At first, let me explain. Pi into r square. R means what? √2 by 2. That means pi into √2 by 2. That's square. Now, in case of square, that means it is multiplied double time 2 times. Basically, look, suppose x square. That means x into x. Yes. Suppose 5 square. That means what? 5 into 5. Yes, Tom. So in the same way, pi into √2 by 2 square. Acha, if it is a by b whole square, that means what? A square in the numerator as well as b square in the denominator. We have to square the both part, numerator and denominator. So here
Yes,
also
ma'am.
we have to do numerator as well as denominator. Now look, in the case of numerator, it is what? √2, Tom. And square of √2, that means √2 into √2, 2 times. Yes, Tom. 2 times means not multiplied by 2. Okay, that is not 2 times. Basically, same thing will be repeated twice. Now look, in the denominator also 2 into 2, because denominator 2 square, that is 4. It is clear, Tom? Now look, pi into, now just look at the numerator. It is √2 into √2. That means what? When 2 roots are there, so 1 will be actually √4. √4 means what? 2. Only 2 na? Yes, 2. So it
Yes,
will be just 2. 2 by 2 2s are 4.
4.
Now it is clear. Look, now
1 by 2.
1 by 2, exactly. That is 0.5. So it will be pi into 0.5. Ultimately, it will be 3.14 into 0. Or 3.14 by 2. Or 3.14 by 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Now it is clear, Tom?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
in case of f, just look, it is given, the radius is given 2 by pi, right? Yes, so this one is the r.
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing in case of area, in case of circumference, I am telling you first. 2 pi r into r. That means look, 2 into, I told you here, no need to put the value of pi right now. Why? Because as in the radius, it is given 2 by pi. Then there is a possibility or there is a chance to get exactly, to cancel out. Now just look at this. Pi into R means what? 2 by
One
pi. Now
by
just
pi.
look. This one cancelled out. That's why I told yesterday not to
Answer
put
will
the
be
value
4.
of pi here. Just easily 2 twos are 4. It is clear though.
Yes, ma'am.
Now for the
Area, ma'am.
area. Look. Pi into R square. R means what? 2 by pi. Yes, Tom.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 by pi whole square. R square is there now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now here also numerator square as well as denominator. That means pi into 2 square. 2 into 2 by pi square means pi into pi. Yes or no? All of you, this one clear though? Or I am going too fast. Actually,
ma'am.
yesterday I explained this. That's why I am telling to first today. Look, acha, 1 pi will be cancelled out. 1 pi will be cancelled out because there are 2 pi too
Yes,
in
ma'am.
multiplication form. So it will
Ma'am,
be
4
just
by 3.14. 1 4.
4 by 3.40.
exactly. Exactly. This will be 2 into 2. Acha, directly I am writing 4. Huh? 4 by 3.14.
1 4.
Acha, after decimal you can't say 14. Huh? After decimal, basically you have to pronounce it
1
individually.
and 4.
Okay, 1 4. Acha. Now I'll move for the next one. This one is already done though. Yesterday I'll move for the next that important part. Okay. And don't worry, all the solution will be uploaded. You can check yourself. Okay. The homework also you can check. Okay. I'll move for the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, now just look. This type of question, how to find out. Look, here it is given. Achha, the question is given. You can find, take out your book and page number probably 143, no?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
show me the question number 3?
Yes, eh?
Start from C1.
I'll start from C. Achha, achha, wait, but for the others also, just let me clear the concept. Okay. It is given, calculate the area of the shaded part. Basically, shaded part means that colored part, yellow colored part, okay, in each of the part, each of the figure. Understood, Tom? Yes. Now just look. Okay,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
start from C. If I do C, then you can easily understand A and B. Okay. Okay. Is there any problem if I start from C?
No, ma'am.
No. Achha, okay. Now look, all of you at first draw the figure of C. All of you draw it in your copy. First. Drawn. Achha, I am also drawing it. Just do it. All of you have the book too.
Yes, ma'am.
In this way. Achha, can you tell me this height?
12.
12 meter or
meter.
centimeter?
12 meter
Meter.
and the
Achha,
base
this
will
one
be
1 meter.
7 meter.
base.
Oh,
The
this
smaller-
one, this one.
1 meter and this one 2 meter.
Achha, this one 2, this one 1, okay, and this one 7.
Base will be 7.
Achha, now just look at this. I'll start to explain. All
Yes,
of you
ma'am.
drawn the figure too.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
I'm giving a name, huh? A, B, C, D. Just I'm giving a name, okay. Now look at this. Basically, this one is a rectangle. Yes, so
Yes, ma'am.
what will
Yes,
be the
ma'am.
area of the rectangle? Now, look, we have to find the shaded part. That means which part I have marked in the figure. We have to find this part. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Tom.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes,
shaded
ma'am.
part means if we find the whole area of this rectangle, total area, okay, then minus if we
Yes.
remove these two circles area. Exactly. Then it will be clear, Tom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just look at this. First, area of
7 into 12.
rectangle. Exactly, rectangle. Just write rectangle ABCD is equal to length into breadth, that is 12 into 7 meters square. 84 meters square, right? Done this one, up to this done though?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Wait,
Now, acha, okay. Today you have biology class at 9:40.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I thought again I'll take the class for the next 40
Ma'am.
minutes also.
Only for 2 days. There will be no biology
So
class.
class after
Yes,
9:40.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Acha, done to up to this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, now just look. Individually we have to let me take this class. Individually we have to find this area, this circle and this circle. Yes, so then we have to subtract it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this one, the smaller one circle and the bigger one circle. Okay.
Here, ma'am.
Now just write area of the circle. Just in bracket mention which one circle of which you are mentioning the circle, which one with radius 2 meter. In bracket that just mention it so that you can understand you are finding out the area of this one. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
With radius of
Yes,
2
ma'am.
meter. With radius of 2 meter is equal to, directly we can find out pi into r square, that is 2 square meter square. That means 3.314 into 2 square means what? 4.
4.
Now just do the calculation. I am not going to do it.
12.56.
Yes, eh?
Answer is 12.56.
Okay. Done up to this, all of you done though?
Yes, ma'am. 12.56 answer.
I'll rub the part.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, now just
Yes, ma'am.
you have to find out the area of this smaller one.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
just write area of the circle with radius in bracket, just write in place of 2, it will be 1. Okay. Now just write radius of the, sorry, radius not area. Area of the circle, just in bracket write with radius of 1 meter. Understood though? Is equal to, it will be what?
3.14.
Exactly, just 3.14 meter square. Acha, now directly you can write, hence area of the shaded region is equal to 84 minus, just in bracket write this two.
In the
12.
time of exam, we have to write this one also. Hence, the area of the shaded region.
Exactly. Okay, because you have to find out the area of the shaded region, not individually these 3 figures, 2 circle and 1 rectangle. Okay, that mentioned part, that colored part. Okay, now just do the subtraction. At first do the addition. 15.7.
Yes,
Yes or
ma'am.
no? Achha,
Yes.
okay.
And 68.83.
Yes, eh?
68.3 meter square.
Meter square. Okay. Then I'll move for the next one. All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you do question number E?
Acha. Now I think A and B you can solve yourself.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
look
Yes,
at
ma'am.
look at A and B. Just normal. At first you have to find the area of this square, then minus area of this circle, right? And here area of this circle minus area of this square. Clear too?
Can you
Yes
do
or
question
no?
number E?
Yes, I'll do each and every one. Just wait, huh? Acha, D you can solve. Just repeat.
2B.
Yes, to B. Just look.
Yes.
Area of the square. Area of the square. Because it is a square, na? Just look. Each are 8 centimeter. So the area of the square will be 8 into 8.
Yes, ma'am.
64 meter
Minus-
square or centimeter square minus area of this
Minus 5.
circle. Now one more thing in it. Look. What will be the diameter of the circle? As it touch the side of the square, that means diameter is also 8.
8.
Diameter.
Four
Radius
square.
will be 4. Not 4
Yes,
meters.
4.
4
centimeter.
square.
Acha, by 2, huh? That is 4 centimeter. So area of the circle will be pi into 4 square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So after doing this, that's subtraction. Okay.
16.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
No problem.
ma'am.
Okay. Now
64 and
number.
50.6.
Okay. Now number D.
13.7.
Okay. Now number D. Look at this. The area of the triangle means half into base is given. Look 10. Height is
B
given.
H.
75. Okay. 75 unit square or square unit. Done, Tom. Now area of this circle.
Yes.
Area of this circle, look, it is given 5 centimeter is the diameter of this circle. Na? So what will be radius? 2.5 or 2.5 centimeter. So just pi into 2.5 thus that whole square. Yes or no? Now we have to subtract.
Yes.
This one is clear, Tom?
6.25.
Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
you will complete at home A, B, D. Those who have completed right now, that's good. Those who have not, they have to complete it at home. Okay. Now just
Completed.
look. Today I'll complete this exercise. Okay. So all of you listen to me very carefully. Now look, number E. All of you draw the figure of number E in your copy. First,
Ma'am, completed.
number E figure done to?
Mine also. Yes, ma'am.
Acha.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me zoom it. Look, this one. Acha, now this is a trapezium. Na? Just look at this. Just name it by A, B, C, D.
Trapezoid.
A, B, C, D. Okay.
Ma'am,
Don't know
in the
ABCD?
time of exam, if it is not given that ABCD, you have to name it.
Yes, I told in the last class that if you name it, it will be very much easy to mention for which figure you are finding out the area. Suppose you are not mentioning, you are not giving the name. Okay, no problem. Then you have to always write area of the trapezium is equal to this, or area of this figure. Okay, as there are so many figures, so if you give the name, then you can easily write just area of. If you mention the trapezium ABC, it will be more easy to solve for you also. Understood, Tom? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If
Yes,
you
ma'am.
don't mention, it is not mandatory, but if you mention it, it will be easy for you also. Okay. Now just look A, B, C, D. So just I am finding the area of ABCD. Huh? What will be its area? Just write area of trapezium ABCD is equal to half into just total area we are finding. Huh? Then minus we have to remove this circle's area. Yes or no? We have to then remove this circle's area. Yes, Tom?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. We have to minus.
Okay, now just find the area of the trapezium. What is the formula? Forgot?
Yes, ma'am, we know.
Yes,
Half
ma'am.
into
Formula
A
is
plus B into H.
Exactly. That means half into 15 into 12 plus 19, right? Put the
Yes,
unit,
ma'am.
huh? Centimeter square. That is equal to half into 15 into, just add this, 31
The area has come 375
centimeters.
centimeter square.
Yes, ma'am. Up to that, I also
The
done.
area is what?
375.
370.
375, but it will definitely come, decimal definitely will come there. There will be
Yes, ma'am. It will
because
become
by 2
because
you
there
can't,
is
because 15
we
and 31
can't.
both are not directly
Yes, ma'am.
divisible by 2. Acha, 15 into 31, what will be the answer? 15 was 15, 1 is carried 315, it will be
455.
455 by divided by 2. Now just do it. No, probably 232 decimal 5. Just take
132.5.
132, no. Here is
232 by
232, exactly. 232 decimal 5 centimeter square.
5.
Up to this, all of you done? Area of the
Yes,
trapezium?
ma'am.
All of you
Yes,
done?
ma'am.
Acha,
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
handwriting is clear so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I need to buy a pen tab, but due to this lockdown, I couldn't get it. I think it is clear. You can understand the writing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay, okay. I am just clearing it. Huh? Up to this, all of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
232.5
Yes, ma'am.
centimeters. It is the area of this whole trapezium, this whole part, right?
Yes, ma'am.
232.5. Okay. Now just look, area of this circular part we have to find out. Now area of, just write, area of the circle, mention it, huh? Inside ABCD. Achha, this is the sign of quadrilateral, just you can put inside the quadrilateral ABCD. Basically, if you put this sign, this means trapezium also included under in this. Okay, also for any quadrilateral. So no need to write the trapezium, okay? Okay, inside, huh?
Ma'am, we have to write in its bracket inside ABC. That
No. Not in bracket. Area of the circle inside quadrilateral ABCD is equal to directly pi into, let me take red color.
3.14 into 25 centimeter square.
Acha, what is the 25 centimeter square? Just at first mention it, huh? 5 square, then centimeter square.
Yes,
3
ma'am.
decimal 1 4. Now just do it. Do the calculation. Into 25 centimeter square. Even this calculation you have done in the last class also, but only the difference was here was a decimal point.
78.50.
Oh, who said the answer? Just
28.5.
tell me then. 8.5, yes.
ma'am, 78.5 centimeter
Right,
square.
decimal. Only 4 or 3 or 4 students are responding. I don't know what about the other students. They are doing or not. Now just look. This one is the area of this circular part. Yes, so
Yes, ma'am. Now we have to
now
subtract
just
these.
we have to remove this circular part.
Subtract.
So subtract this. Now just write area of
Yes.
the area of the shaded part. Area of the shaded part or shaded region.
And the answer is coming 157.
Let me check. 232 decimal 5. No, I think it is little bit. Just do check, huh? I think little bit mistake is over there. Look, decimal 5, decimal 5. Nah, it will be 0.
Yes, ma'am.
And here 2, here 8. It will be 4 mark.
157.
150? No, 154.
154.
Exactly,
No,
154.
164.0.
Exactly.
It will be 154
104.0.
only.
Centimeter square. Okay. Done this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. I'll
Yes,
move for
ma'am,
the
ma'am.
next one. F.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, here it is very much easy. Just look. Basically, here no need to subtract all the things. We have to break this type of problem you have already done. We have to break into three parts. Look, we have to add this one. Suppose this one we are denoting by A1, A2, and A3. Basically,
In this,
area of the carrot A1 plus A2 plus A3.
Plus AC.
Yes, so
Yes, ma'am.
now what will be A1? Now just look at this here. Basically, this one is a half circle. Na? Look at this. Just let me draw the figure properly. Huh? This one is a half circle, yes or no? This one,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So here also look. This one is a half circle. Yes,
Yes,
so.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now just look. Just remove this part, this rectangular part. Just if we remove this part, cut this part, and if we
One
join
circle will
this one
came.
and this one, then it will form just one full circle. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just look. So basically what we will find? Basically, just name it A1. At first draw the figure. All of you draw the figure first.
The value of A1 and A3 will be same.
Exactly. A1 and A3. Basically A1 plus A3 means area of a full circle. Area
Yes.
of
yes.
a circle. Yes, so where what will be the radius of this circle? Basically, look, this one is 12, so
6,
so
ma'am.
radius of this circle will be 6. Yes or no? This one. Yes, Tom.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
All of you are able to
ma'am.
understand?
yes,
Or
ma'am.
only
Yes,
few?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
That means only we have to we can directly find out A1. But before that, you have to name it, huh?
Yes,
A1,
ma'am.
A2, A3. At first, all of you just draw the figure.
Yes, ma'am.
And mark
Completed.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, done. A1, A2, A3. Now just mention A1 is equal to A3. That is A1 plus A3.
Plus it.
That is equal to area of a full circle. Just write it, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Now in bracket write with radius 12 by 2 centimeter. That is 6 centimeter. Just mention it. Okay, done too.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Acha, now I am just clearing it, huh? Acha, what
Yes,
will be the
ma'am.
area? So we can easily find out A1 plus A3. Just pi into, just is equal to write here pi into, as there is no space, I am writing over there, huh? You will write below of this line, huh? Pi into 6 square centimeter square. That means 3.14 into 36.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now just write is
Yes,
equal to
ma'am.
3.14 into 36 centimeter square. Just do the calculation. I'll send normal multiplication. And you are
No, ma'am,
using the
wait, ma'am.
calculator. Huh? That's
Let
why you
us
are
do.
telling suppose. Yeah, let us do means
No,
what?
ma'am. We have done it.
Okay.
And the answer is coming, I
113.
26.5.
113.04.
Exactly. 113 point something. Okay, 04, right? Centimeter
Yes,
square.
yes.
Done. Done. A1 and A3 done, right?
Now divided by 2.
Now, no need to divide it by 2. Basically, we have to find the whole area though. So A1 plus A2, just keep it same. Huh?
Just multiply.
Now,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
1 plus
3 into 12. The area of A2.
Acha, area of
36
A2 will be
centimeter square.
36 centimeter square. Okay. Now just add them. Now just write area of the area of the shaded region is equal to 113.04 plus 36. Now just look at this. Here already A1 and A3 included, right? And this one is A2 plus A2. Yes, Tom?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? 149.04, no? Yes, 149.04 centimeters square. All of you, this answer came to
149.04.
04. Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
I move for the next one. All of you completed, Tom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And now just look. Here it is.
Applying your skills.
Look at this. It is a rectangular
Yes,
rectangular
ma'am.
garden is over there, na? Just read the question. The diagram shows a plan for a rectangular garden with a circular pond. Look, this one is a rectangular garden and there is a circular pond, right? The part of the garden not covered by the pond is to be covered by grass. That means what? Where in the figure where the pond is not over there, only this part, the pond is which part, in which part there is not the pond, okay? That means the not covered by the pond, the uncovered part. That one we have to fill by grass. Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Suppose this one is a rectangular garden. One pond is inside there. We have to cover the garden by the grass. Definitely, we'll leave this pond. Here we are not going to plant the trees.
Yes,
Definitely,
ma'am.
here we'll put the grass. Yes, Tom?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, just find out the area of the remaining part where we plant the grass. This
Yeah.
one is the first question. Next, there is one more question. Just look. One bag of grass. What is it? It is given seed cover 5 square meters. That means how many bags we require? We need how many bags? Suppose we have to cover this whole remaining part. So
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
to put grass over there by using some bags of grass. Suppose there are 1 bag, another bag, okay, 3 bags, 4 bags, okay, there are grass inside the bags, okay. We have to just put all the grass over the field or over the garden. Understood? So that how many bags are required over there? How many bags are required? We have to find out that one, na?
Yes, ma'am.
But it is given in each bag, the area of each bag, it is given 5 square unit. That means 5 meters square, right? It is given 5 meters square. That means if we put 1 bag, only 5 meters square of this garden will be filled. If we put 2 bags, then 10 meters square will be filled. If we put 3 bags, then 15 meters square will be filled. In this way, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose
Yes, ma'am.
we consider there are
First we have to find the area of 10, then we have to divide by 5 meters.
divide it. Exactly. Suppose we consider there are n numbers of bags. Then area of n bags, n into 1 bag, area of 1 bag, that is equal to the area of remaining part. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Because this n bags will fill this area by grass. Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now just do it. At first, find out the area of the rectangle. Okay? Acha, here is the
120.
solution. Just a minute. Even here it is. Here is the solution also.
I'm 120.
No need to look at the solution. You try yourself. If there is any doubt, then you will only look at
I'm
this.
120 meters square.
Acha, it is 120 meters square. Yes. Just take the answer. Acha, I'm just no need to look at this. Huh? Do it yourself. Understood? So
Yes.
now you have to find out the area of this pond, right? It is 3 meter given its diameter. Then radius will be
1.5 meter will be there.
1.5 exactly. So what will
1.5.
be the area? Pi into 1.5 square.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is 3.14 into 2.25 or 2.25. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
2.25.
Now the normal multiplication. This multiplication will be a little bit. It will take time probably. I'll show you the multiplication, decimal multiplication.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Acha, 1 minute. If you get disconnected, okay, then just join